Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I've got something super exciting for all the tech enthusiasts out there, a chance to join the amazing team at CGI as a technical analyst in Chennai, Tamil Nadu. CGI, a global leader in IT and business consulting, is on the lookout for a technical analyst to join their Connexus Cache technical implementation team. If you're passionate about technology, solving complex challenges, and delivering exceptional solutions, this role is calling your name. As a technical analyst at CGI, your role will be crucial in ensuring the smooth transfer of files and maintaining operational integrity. You'll manage technical file transfer chains, execute test cases, diagnose issues, and provide Level 1 technical support. Picture this: file transfer oversight, testing and issue resolution, performance reporting, collaborative teamwork. You'll also generate key performance indicators to monitor technical performance, work with various stakeholders to clarify specifications, and ensure seamless project delivery. It's a role that combines technical expertise with teamwork and problem solving. To succeed in this position, CGI is looking for someone with strong technical skills. You should have experience with file transfer protocols like FTPS, SFTP, and AS2, and a good understanding of Unix, Linux systems. Experience with agile methodologies, Excel, and project management tools like Jira will also be key. Now, if you've worked with tools like Axway CFT or Secure Transport, that's definitely a bonus. But don't worry, if you don't have experience with these, CGI is committed to helping you grow and develop in the role. At CGI, it's not just about the work, it's about the people. CGI values a culture of commitment, creativity, and ambition, and you'll be part of a positive and collaborative team environment. It's all about growth, innovation, and delivering quality results. If this sounds like the perfect opportunity for you, don't wait. Apply today by clicking the link in the description below. Take the next step in your career and join CGI's incredible team. Make sure to like this video, subscribe for more career updates, and hit that notification bell so you never miss out on new job openings. Best of luck with your application, and I hope to see you on the CGI team soon. Apply now, link in description.